You ever stop to think about how much money you waste every month without even realizing it? Small daily expenses, unnecessary subscriptions, and impulsive purchases might be draining your bank account without you noticing. I went through this too, but when I decided to cut certain expenses, my money started to last longer. And even better, it started working for me. In today's video, I'll show you the 9 things I stopped buying and how that transformed my financial life. If you feel like your paycheck disappears too quickly, or if you want to make your money go further without having to earn more, then stay until the end. I'll show you practical examples that can make a huge difference in your bank account. And the best part, you can start today. You might be spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year on things you don't even use or, in the end, don't really need. Small amounts here and there might seem harmless, but when added up, they can wreak havoc on your budget. I know this because I've been through it. And when I started reviewing these expenses, my financial life completely changed. And I want that to happen for you too. So stick with me until the end because every point in this video could save you a lot of money. Before revealing these 7 hidden expenses, let's understand a simple but essential concept: invisible spending. These are small amounts that leave your account without you noticing. Since they're not big enough to worry you at the moment, they go unnoticed. But when accumulated, they can make up as much as 30% of your monthly budget. That means if you earn $3,000 a month, you could be losing almost $1,000 without even realizing it. These expenses usually come from forgotten subscriptions, impulse purchases, hidden bank fees, wasted basic resources, and even bad habits that drain your money without bringing any return. Now, I'll show you each of these financial villains and teach you how to eliminate them in a practical way. The first hidden expense is automatic subscriptions and recurring services. Have you ever stopped to think about how many services you're subscribed to right now? Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, editing apps, a gym you hardly ever go to. All of this is automatically charged to your card without you realizing the real impact. Often, you don't even use these services frequently, but since the individual costs seem small, you don't feel the need to cancel them. The solution? Do an audit right now. Check your credit card statement and see all your recurring subscriptions. If there's something you don't use much, cancel it today. The second hidden expense is impulse purchases and the psychological effect of promotions. Who hasn't walked into a store or browsed online and seen an irresistible discount? The problem is that most of these purchases are unplanned, and retailers know exactly how to convince you to buy. They create a sense of urgency with phrases like "last units available" or "discount valid only today," and you end up spending money on something you didn't need. To avoid this, adopt the 48-hour rule. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 2 days. If after that time you still feel like you really need the item, then go ahead and buy it. Otherwise, the urge to buy will probably fade, and your money will stay in your pocket. Now let's talk about a silent enemy: invisible bank fees. Did you know you might be paying unnecessary charges? Many banks charge monthly fees, credit card annual fees, and hidden interest rates that weigh down your budget without you noticing. The worst part is that there are free digital banks offering the same services without charging anything. So if you're still paying bank fees, you're literally throwing money away. The solution? Contact your bank and negotiate to waive these fees, or switch to a no-cost digital bank. Expense that many people don't even notice is automatic payments for warranties and extra insurance. You know when you buy an appliance and they offer you an extended warranty, or that insurance that comes bundled with your credit card. Many of these charges happen automatically, and in most cases, you'll never even use these services. The tip here is simple. Review your statements and identify these charges. If you find you're paying for something unnecessary, cancel it immediately. Now, let's talk about something that seems harmless but can add up to a huge cost by the end of the month: excessive energy and water consumption. Devices left plugged in long showers, lights left on unnecessarily. All of this might seem minor, but when added up, it can increase your bill by up to 30%. One of the biggest culprits here is phantom energy consumption, which happens when devices keep drawing power even when turned off. So, the solution is unplug appliances when they're not in use and adopt simple habits like using energy-efficient light bulbs and reducing shower time. And now, one of the hidden expenses that drains money the most, convenience food. If you order delivery multiple times a week or buy coffee on the go every day, these small expenses add up quickly. Just to give you an idea, if you spend $20 a day on snacks and ready-made meals by the end of the month, that's already $600, and in a year, over $7,000. The solution? Plan your meals, cook more at home, and carry a snack with you to avoid impulsive street purchases. Finally, there's a common financial mistake: buying cheap products that end up costing more. This happens when you always choose the cheapest option without considering quality. Clothes that fade quickly, electronics that break in a few months, furniture that doesn't last. All of this forces you to spend money again and again. The tip here is to invest in quality. The cheapest option isn't always the best choice. Make smarter purchases and think about long-term cost effectiveness. Now that you know the 7 biggest villains in your budget, how can you prevent these expenses from coming back? First, do a monthly review of your expenses. Set aside 1 day a month to check your bank statement and identify unnecessary spending. Second, adopt a smart budget. Set a limit for non-essential purchases and stick to it strictly. Third, use financial tracking apps that help you visualize where your money is going. If you apply these changes today, in just a few months, you'll see a huge difference in your budget. The money that used to disappear without explanation can now be used for investments, travel, or any other goal that truly makes a difference in your life. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these hidden expenses surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because every week I bring tips to help you improve your financial life. And stay tuned, because in the next video, I'll reveal 5 financial habits of rich people that you can start applying today.